Welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this orthographic drawing into the isometric 3D models. So here we have a drawing and it is in a third angle projection. So first we will create a new file and we will create a new body, and I will on my plane and I will set to the orthographic, and now we will read our model. So this is the front view and this is the bottom view because it is a third angle projection, and this is the side view. So first we will make the side view, so that will be the most easiest way to model this part. So for this I will select this plane exit and I will create a sketch, and I will move to the tree view and I will select my origin and press the space bar. And now I will draw two lines, one is horizontal and other one is vertical. And now we will draw this R10 arc. So for this I will select the 3-point arc, and I will select this arc and line and make it tangent, and this point set to the horizontal. And now I will draw the again one line tangent to this arc, and then I will close my profile and I will make this line vertical. And now we will give the dimensions. So the total length of the part is a 52, which we can see here. So I will select this line and I will give my dimension 52. Height is 13, so I will select this line and give my vertical dimension 13. And this radius is R10, so I will select this arc and give the radius dimension 10. And from this edge to the center is a 10 mm, so I will select this line and give the vertical dimension 10 mm. Now I will move my dimension outside. Okay, and now we will find the width. So total width here it is given 26. So I will go to the combo view and close my sketch, and then I will click on the pad and I will click here on symmetric to the plane, and total width is 26, so I will give here 26. So this is the overall body we have made, and now we will make this cut. So for this I will select this face and I will create a sketch and I will set to the isometric, and I will draw a rectangle on this face, and then we will read the dimension. So I will project this edge, I will select this point and line and make it coincidence, and I will make it symmetric. So for this I will select this point, this I will select this point and the axis. So here is a conflict, so click on this 7 number. So constraint 7, I will delete it. So this will be the through all material removal. So overall height doesn't matter, but still we will give the dimension. So we will give approximately 25 mm, and our total width of a part is a 26, and here it is a 7 and 7 14. So 26 minus 14, so I will directly give 26 minus 14, so this is the 12. Now I will close it and I will make extrude cut, and I will say through all and say OK. And now we will adapt this bottom feature here, this bottom one. So for this I will select this face and I will create a sketch. So I will rotate my model, and now I will convert this vertical and horizontal edges. So for this I will click on the project geometry tool and I will project these 3 edges. And now I will select the line tool and I will join it. Similarly, or we will make the cut on one side and make it mirror, no problem. So I will select this line and this line, and I will give the angular constraint of 60. Height is 6 mm, so I will give the vertical this point and this point 6 mm, and I will close my profile. Here is a conflict, so simply delete it. Now I will come out of my sketch and I will go for the cut, and I will simply say here through all. Now I will go to the tree view, I will select my pocket and click on here on mirror tool, and pocket 001 is selected. Now I will manually select for the reference and I will select this mid plane, so you can see that the cut has been mirrored. I will say OK, and now we will make this slot. So as it is third angle projection, so I will rotate my model. So if I look from the bottom side, so apart from the cut, here is also I can see the removal of the material. So before that I will make the cut. So this drawing is something like this one. Its orientation is like this, and so this is the front view. So it has been seen like this. So sorry, this is the in first angle projection. I misunderstood it. Okay, so this is the first angle projection because our model is like this, and it has been viewed from the top directions, and these features we are getting here. So this is the first angle projection, my mistake. So now I will select this face, and I will create a slot. So I will simply select this face and create a sketch. And now better to select this face and say sketch. Yes. And now select the slot, remove this constraint 8, say delete. And now we need to project this edge, so I will project it, and from this edge to the center horizontal dimension I will give the 10, and from center to center it is 13, and radius is 5, so I will select this and I will give the radius 5. We'll close it. Now I will go for the cut, and simply I will say true all. Okay, and now if we see our model, so this is the front view, this is the front view which we can see here. Now we will see from the top. So if we rotate our model top, so this is the top view which we can see here, and this is the side view. So these drawings views are not placed properly because this side view should be like this one, but this view has been placed as per the third angle projection, and this is the, so view reading is very important while converting an orthographic drawing to the isometric. So now we will make this whole. So for this I will select this face, and as it is a very simple hole, so we are not going to use the whole features. So I will simply say sketch, and I will convert this outer arc, and I will simply draw a circle, and I will give it a diameter of 10, and I will say OK, and I will say cut, and I will say true all, and I will say OK. So as you can see that we have successfully converted our orthographic drawing into the 3D models. And I will also show you the actual image of this orthographic drawing. So you can see that we have successfully converted our orthographic drawing into the isometric with respect to the isometric image of this part. Now we will give some random color or some material to our part. So I will go simply to the appearances, and I prefer to give to the chrome, and I will close it, and I will set it to the isometric view. So this is how we have successfully converted this part into the 3D solid. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my video. And if you want to support me, you can support me on ko-fi.com. Your small donation will help this channels to grow, and it will also help me to do more study over the FreeCAD and make more interesting and useful videos for the FreeCAD learners. And this video is basically made for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD, and I will also provide this model and a 2D drawing in the video description, so any beginner user can refer my model while practicing this model. So this is all about this session. I will come with the next tutorial on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.